जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Beautiful teeth. Sitamma, the one who has beautiful lips, now looking at that deer and amazed to see that deer. Sitamma looking at that deer with wide opened eyes. And also Maricha, the one who is in the form of deer, is now looking at Sitamma and moving around in order to attract Sitamma. Then Sitamma, seeing such never seen, adrushta-purvam tam drushtva, never seen deer, and Vismayam Paramam Sita stood amazed. Sitamma looking at that deer with all her surprise. Then Sitamma, while plucking the flowers, while looking at that deer, immediately called out, Bhartaram Abhichakrancha Lakshmanancha Pisayudham. Sitamma called out Rama and Lakshmana, who were carrying their weapons. When Sitamma called like that, immediately Rama and Lakshmana started looking around and they saw that deer. Immediately Lakshmana saying to Rama with suspecting that deer, Tame Vainam Aham Manye Maricham Rakshasam Mrugam. Oh Rama, I am sure this deer is Maricha, the Rakshasa. This Maricha in the form of deer killing so many kings who comes to hunt this, thinking that it is a normal deer. Oh Rama, asya mayavido mayamrugarupam. I am sure that Maricha, who can assume many forms, any forms, now he is in this deer form. Oh Rama, this kind of deer never exists in the world. Therefore, Mayaishahi nasamsayaha, no doubt, there is no doubt, this is definitely an illusory deer. Like that Lakshmana saying to Ramachandra Swami after seeing that deer. Lakshmana saying to Rama that, oh Rama, this kind of deer does not exist in the world. Saying evam bruvanam kakutstham prativarya suchismita. While Lakshmana saying like this to Rama, then at that time Sita Devi did not let Lakshmana finish his sentence. And immediately Sita Devi started saying to Rama with all her joy and a pure smile on her face, Abhiramo asau mrugo harati me manaha. Sitamma saying to Rama that, oh Rama, I like this deer. This deer captivated my mind. Oh Rama, Anayainam Mahabaho, please bring this deer for me. We can enjoy with this deer. Here in our ashramam, there are so many deers, bears and monkeys and all other animals. They are all wandering around our ashramam. Oh Rama, but I have not seen any this kind of beautiful glittering deer anywhere in this world, and not at all before and also at this moment around our ashramam. Oh Rama, I have never seen this kind of deer before. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama. हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.